Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today I want to talk about a huge fundamental piece of news that we have been waiting for in the crypto industry, and that is the Polkadot Parachain Rollout. The rollout has happened and we have seen the Polkadot price increase dramatically in the last 7 days. Now in this video, let's cover what has happened with the Polkadot Parachain Rollout, where the price is and where the price is heading. And I'll have you know the price predictions for Polkadot and where we think it's going is incredible. So stay tuned, and before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. So just to cover the overall crypto market, right now on CoinMarketCap, we're in the green on pretty much most of the cryptos. Not major upswings with Bitcoin with around 2.41% on the last 7 days upside, and Polkadot has climbed its way up with a 17.99% increase in the last 7 days. Of course, this is because of the Polkadot Parachain Rollout. This Parachain Rollout will allow it to have multi-chain architecture and therefore enable on-chain governance. We know that Polkadot is interoperable. The parachains are going to facilitate this even more. When a crypto is interoperable, that's when you can scale it. And when you can scale it, you can have it mass adopted. And that translates into price rallies for us as investors. The current price for Polkadot is $51.77. This was 6.38% upside in the last 24 hours. So we've basically reached its all-time high, as we can see on the chart. If we look at all-time high, imagine if you bought Polkadot around here. This is some insane return on investment. Of course, we're going to see a dip. I would not FOMO in and buy in at a top. That is the biggest thing I teach you guys not to do. Always buy when the market is fearing. Always buy when something has not had that bullish news actually happen, actually come into full fruition. Buy when the market is down. I know it's self-explanatory, but many people actually don't do that and they FOMO in at the top. Look, we need to anticipate good news. And when we know they have something fundamental like a parachain rollout, you buy it before, knowing that they're going to have that parachain rollout. Because when that parachain rollout happens, that's when we see the price rally and then the market comes together. Many people FOMO in, but that's what causes the price rallies, and it rewards those investors that got in earlier on. So a quick update on where we're at with the Parachain Rollout Roadmap. So we have already completed the testnet rollout. We've also completed the Kusama rollout and the slot auctions, which I have mentioned in my previous video on Polkadot. I've linked that down below in the description box, as this is an update video. We are currently at the current stage, the Polkadot rollout and slot auctions. So this will enable Polkadot governance, which will first vote to enable parachain functionality via runtime upgrade. After that, it can vote to begin slot auctions and to add any common good parachains. They will also have future upgrades that will be XCMP and parathreads that can be enabled via network governance after the code has been fully developed, tested, benchmarked, and audited. So now Polkadot has developed each part of their code, and they're now in a place where the foundations for the Polkadot blockchain have been built. This is fundamental. Now I want to go into price analysis and where we think the price is heading. A lot of you guys are interested in that. A quick disclaimer, based on what I show you, this price may not happen in this bull run, but it may happen very likely in the next bull run. Either way, I am very bullish on Polkadot. So looking at the chart, I've drawn some support and resistance lines to show you where we can see the price head, both in its upswings and its downswings. So here at the beginning of the bull market, when we saw the crypto market crash, prices were incredibly low. Then we saw the first run up. And from the first run up, we saw the decline when we saw the news around June. Well, starting March, April, May, June, we saw the decline overall in the crypto market because of the China FUD news, Elon Musk tweets, etc. And then we saw the Parachain Rollout, which has led it to its new pretty much all-time high. Yeah, all-time high. And here's what's going to happen. So if I zoom in to show you. So in the short term, we will see some upswings and downswings. These downswings can be as low as this level here. This downside here is only more likely if we see some very, very negative news that impacts the entire crypto market. Provided we don't see that, we will continue trading sideways a little bit towards the upside in these lines here. So going up to around $65 to $70 Polkadot around the beginning of January 2022. Now, in the long term, we can see the price more than double from where we're at to up to $123 Polkadot. This would be May 2022, but if the bull market ends earlier, then we will enter a bear phase and be trading along these lines. But if we get to these lines, I wouldn't panic. I would see this as an opportunity to accumulate more because you're getting some amazing discounts and we know how high the price can go. So in the next bull run, you can see 10x returns, 20x returns on the Polkadot that you hold. And if you already hold some or that you FOMO'd in here, don't fret. Polkadot is there to stay. Polkadot is one of the most advanced crypto blockchain technologies we have out there. So for some background, a parachain is an individual blockchain on the Polkadot ecosystem. Parachain auctions allow Polkadot developers to register their projects on the parachain and gain crowd loan funding for their projects. And this is all provided the governing Polkadot Council gives the developer's project a green light. Looking at this tweet that Polkadot posted, the motion to enable parachain registration and crowd loans has passed. So this is now possible. And it's gone through the Polkadot Council and the public referendum. If passed, parachain teams will be able to register their parachain and open their crowd loan on November 4th, 2021. Another potential price rally opportunity if this all goes through. Not to mention they're having things like Polkadot hackathons. You can see that they posted 18 hours ago. If you're interested in building on Polkadot, Substrate.io and Kusama Network, basically November 5th at 2 p.m. they have a Polkadot hackathon technical workshop session that people can sign up for. Loads of great crypto projects have actually been founded in hackathons. We have loads of hackathons in the crypto world. Polygon has hackathons, Solana, Ethereum, now Polkadot. One of the great things for Polkadot having its own hackathon is that more and more crypto projects will be founded using the Polkadot Parachain technology. And the more we have projects on there, the more we have an ecosystem of those that use Polkadot's blockchain. And then that leads to more scalability and more interoperability, especially given Polkadot is an interoperable blockchain. So yeah, that's it for now, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys hold Polkadot? Are you bullish? Where do you think the price is heading? And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. You hear everything on my Patreon before I post it on my YouTube, so definitely check that out and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!